Today we are going to look at how to use Excel's built-in AutoSum function. If you are looking for a way to automatically sum multiple numbers in Excel, you can use Excel's AutoSum function. This will save you from having to type any kind of formula. The AutoSum function is actually quite intuitive. In many cases, Excel will automatically figure out which cells you are trying to add up, but it depends on where you put this AutoSum function in the worksheet. For example, if you have this column here of numbers that you would like to add up, if you click on the cell directly below the data and you go to Home, the Editing section, and the AutoSum button, click on it, you see Excel will automatically create a sum formula for you. It has also already selected the range that it assumes you are trying to add up. If this range is accurate, all you have to do is hit the Enter button. If, for example, you would like to show the calculation in this cell here, if you click on the AutoSum feature now, the Excel function is making the assumption that you would like to add the data in the cells directly to the left of this cell. But you can quite simply fix this by clicking and holding with your left mouse button on cell B3 and drag it down till you get to the bottom of the data. You will see the range in this formula here. If you hit Enter, we have now gotten the sum of that range of data, and it matches the exact same sum that we have below the original column. Thank you for joining Nerdalific today, and we will see you in the next video.